When a person gains absolute power, their brain undergoes a startling change. Neuroscience reveals that mirror neurons, the cells responsible for empathy and understanding others' emotions, begin to deactivate. Brain scans show these neurons dimming like lights turning off, marking the first step in a dangerous transformation. This biological shift explains why power can erase compassion, turning leaders into functional sociopaths who see people as tools rather than human beings. As mirror neurons shut down, leaders lose the ability to emotionally resonate with others. Psychological studies demonstrate that within months of gaining power, individuals start interpreting suffering as necessary sacrifice rather than tragedy. Their decision-making shifts from moral reasoning to pure cost-benefit analysis, approving policies that harm vulnerable groups without hesitation. The brain's emotional centers show reduced activity when exposed to distress signals, proving power doesn't just corrupt, it rewires. Power creates an insidious cycle. As leaders surround themselves with yes men, their brain's empathy circuits atrophy, further due to lack of challenge. Neuroplasticity studies show that prolonged power reduces gray matter in regions tied to emotional intelligence. Simultaneously, dopamine surges from unchecked authority, addict them to control. Historical records reveal this pattern, from Roman emperors to modern CEOs, proving that absolute power doesn't just corrupt absolutely, it biologically dismantles humanity. A leader's neural decay infects entire systems. Policies crafted without empathy create spiraling inequality, evidenced by rising poverty rates under rational austerity measures. Social psychology confirms that populations governed by empathy-deficient leaders develop heightened aggression and distrust. The mirror neuron deficit spreads institutionally, with mid-level officials mimicking their superiors' callousness. This isn't mere corruption. It's a biological cascade where power rewires collective morality. The solution lies in neuro-aware governance. Studies show that term limits, mandatory empathy training, and decentralized power structures can reactivate mirror neurons. Finland's experiment with empathy-based policymaking reduced inequality by 18% in a decade. The key is recognizing power as a neural disruptor, not just a privilege. By designing systems that force leaders to stay biologically human, we might prevent history's darkest patterns from repeating. The choice is ours: preserve empathy or let power keep turning minds against hearts.